In this video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to unpublish a Facebook page using the new page experience. To switch to the new page experience, please click on three dots icon and click on Try any page experience. Once you have switched to the new page experience, please click on the Settings button located on the left-hand side of your screen and then click on Privacy to access the Facebook page information. To unpublish a Facebook page, you should click on Deactivation and Deletion and select Deactivate Page. It's important to note that deactivating a page is only temporary, whereas deleting a page is permanent. If you choose to deactivate your page, you can reactivate it at any time by accessing the Settings and Privacy menu. After that, click on Continue. Please enter your Facebook password. Please choose one of reason why you want to unpublish your page. The last step is tap on Continue. Thank you for watching this video on how to unpublish a Facebook page with the new page experience. We hope that this step-by-step guide has been helpful in showing you how to temporarily deactivate your page and reactivate it at a later time. If you want to know how to reactivate your Facebook page, please subscribe because I will post it in the next video. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.